Alright guys, today we're going to do something a little bit different. I have one of the newer style Ryobi batteries and I like it. I just got it, well, September of last year, but it's the newer style as you guys can see. There's the canted up front. I was working on the truck, I was flushing my heater core and I had the bucket underneath it, and of course the light I was using, this and the light fell down through my engine bay right into the coolant. I let it dry out for 2 days. It worked. It totally discharged. Now I went to put it back on charger. Now I get the dreaded flashy, flashy, flash. So we're going to pull it apart, see if I can't dry it out, wipe it out, see what's wrong with it. Yeah, here goes. It takes a standard T10, little security tab. You guys see that one? Oh, see, there's moisture coming right out of the screw holes. That's not good. There's 4 of them. Make sure you set your drill. Set the clutch so you don't strip them out. That's more for when you put them back in. But what are you gonna do, right? Get the hell out of there. Piece of crap. Alright, now the dreaded plug. You guys know how to get the plug out? What you do is you take another screw, you screw it into that, and as you do that, it kind of corkscrews it out of there. So I'm going to go grab another screw. I guess use one of these. No, they're not pointed. It has to be a pointed screw. We're just going to simply drill it right into the plug, guys. Now go slow. Don't drill into your hand. Can you see that? See? I popped it right out. Dust plug. He's gone. That's it. That's how I take plugs out of... Alright, now... last screw. You know what's funny about batteries, guys? The ones that are bought and sold in the United States have these, the star hexes screws, right? The tamper resistant. And then if you buy tools that are made in Japan or China, like strictly for that market, they have Phillips screws in them. I don't know. I thought that was kind of funny. Alright, now I should just be able to... oh, there's one on the top, I forgot. Should just be able to shimmy. Oh, look at all that moisture in there. Guys, be careful because you can electrocute yourself too. Not enough to kill you, but, you know, make your teeth rattle a little bit. If you haven't, those who've never been electrocuted. Alright, you can pop the little side tabs off. These only go back in one way, so it's... oh, look how wet that is. I'm going to dry all this off with the heat gun. And she should pop out. At least the old models popped out like that. Are these new ones held in place by screws? Ooh, looks like more screws I gotta take out. They look to be the same size as the other ones, but I'm gonna put them in a different pile just in case. Yep, you can see all kinds of moisture in there. Oh, that's starting to rust. Oh, there we go. The sides come off. Jeez, Al. Dumbass. Well, there you go. They packaged this one a little bit different than the old ones because I've taken the old ones apart multiple times. See that? There. Starting to corrode. Here's the inside of the battery, if you're wondering, guys. These seem to be built a little bit better than the other ones. I mean, there's definitely more protection for the cells. The other one, all 5 cells should just pop right out. See what happens when you hit. Lights. She's still blinking. She's saying F you, F you. You guys see that? No mas. Piece of crap. 100% insulated. Ooh. Tons of moisture in there. Oh my gosh, you guys see all that water flying over there? Yeah, it's like shooting across and my fingers are wet. See, I accidentally hit the light switch in the front, and if you drop these in water, you can usually take them apart and air them out, and they'll work again if you dab them off. I'm talking within like 5 minutes, and I didn't. I let it sit out in the garage in the cold for like 3 days. Ah, idiot. 5 days later, guys, let it dry out, wrapped in paper towel. What do you think? Do you think it's gonna work? Oh, it's not working. What the fuck? It worked yesterday. Ugh, it keeps corroding. This motherfucker. I swear to God it worked yesterday. I had it working. See, now there's more corrosion on the board again. This fucking piece of shit. I was all excited that it worked, and I go turn on the recorder, and now it's not working. Oh, you bitch. I swear to God, guys, this worked. That sucks. That's a bummer. Ooh. Well, there you go. Fucking fried it. You goddamn idiot. Don't put a metal screwdriver across the circuit board. Well, it worked. Anyways, guys, these are the new cells. You can see how it was wrapped, how they put the bottom on it like this, right? And then the bottom doesn't come off, where the old cells are just like this, and they just sit in the case like that. So old Samsungs, right, LGs versus the new LGs. Old versus new, guys. Thought that was kind of neat. Hey guys, that's all I got for you. It did work. I broke it. Then I officially broke it. So hope you guys liked that, the disassemble, me trying to fix it, guys. I blew it out with compressed air, guys. I used the heat gun, but that coolant, it's almost like sticky. It didn't come off the way that normal water would. Yeah, and thing what killed it is the board got all corroded up here. I don't know, maybe there's some way to revive it if somebody knows more about these than I do, but you saw me just spark it. I think it's toast, and now the lights don't even come on. Whatever, it's a freaking $20 battery. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, put it in your playlist, tell your friends. If you want to watch more, guys, I'll put a link right here and I'll link up here. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a blessed day. See ya.